In today's video, I'll teach you how to change signature in DocuSign. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in apps.docusign.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here in this interface, you'll be able to see the signature. So if you want to change the signature, for that what you have to do is click on the initials that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, Manage Profile. Now once you do that, you'll be redirected to the new interface. From this interface, you'll be able to manage your profile. You'll be able to find various options over here. At left, you'll be able to find the options for My Profile, Privacy and Security, Connected Apps, etc. Find the option for Signatures and click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the Signatures interface. You'll be able to see the signatures that you've added over here. If you want, you can simply go ahead and add the signature. But if you want to change the existing signature, what you have to do is click on the Actions option that you can see right next to the signature that you want to change. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, Edit, Delete. Click on this option, Edit. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to edit the signature. You cannot edit the full name and initials, but you'll be able to choose the signature from these options that you can see right over here. Also, you'll be able to draw your own signature. For that, click on the option Draw. Now you'll be able to draw the signature. Also, you'll be able to draw the initials. You can also upload the signature if you want. For that, click on the Upload option and you'll be able to upload the signature and initials. Right now, I'm just going to choose from the existing signature. You'll be able to see various options over here. Simply look all the options. Now click on the option that you like the best. Now once you do that, click on the Create option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your signature has been changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the signature. So that is how you change signature in DocuSign. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.